And when we are zooming, we also have hand. So what hand, the space bar on the keyboard. So what this space bar will do for us is that we will hold it, and while we are holding it, it will change our selected tool, whatever the tool is, to hand until we unhold the space bar. So whenever we unhold the space bar, we will be back to whatever tool we were using beforehand. So that is very cool. That is also about temporarily changing whatever tool that we are using to hand. And again, we can unhold it, as you see, and by unholding the scroll bar, the hand will disappear, just like that, because this is a temporary, what we call shortcut to this hand tool. So this is it. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.